Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is another session about how to use ChatGPT to analyze your data. In Excel, it is very common for us to color code our cells based on certain criteria. Today, let's see how we can do that with ChatGPT. Let's first go over what's the business scenario for using this function. So let's say we have an employee spreadsheet ready to analyze, and one of the common elements in compensation is a comp ratio. So usually every employee will have a comp ratio attached to them, which indicates how competitive their compensation is compared to either the market or the internal salary structure. So I wouldn't go into depth on how to calculate this ratio, but for the purpose for this video, you just need to know that usually we analyze the comp ratio by the value. Let's say if the value is below 80%, which usually we consider to be below the market competitiveness. If it's between 80 to 120, usually it's okay. If it's above 120%, then we say this person is paid competitively compared to the market that we benchmark with. This is an analysis that we do a lot in compensation. And now let's see how we can create this color coding format with ChatGPT. Now let's bring up our best friend ChatGPT and input our request. So the request I have here is based on, it's very natural language. Create a VBA code that in column H of sheet employee records. So it's here, it's blank right now. And if the value is less than 80%, change cell value to light green. If the value is less than or equal to 120, change cell color to light green. If the value is greater than 120, change cell value to light yellow. So this is pretty much like you're writing an if statement. Okay, the code is done. Let's copy the code, go back to our Excel, go to Developer tab and View Code. Open up a new module and paste in the code. Let's just check briefly. First, our worksheet is employee records. I like that. Our range is column H. Make sure you don't have any blank cells in this column, because otherwise if it's blank, then there's a chance that the count only goes down to the blank cell. And it also says if the cell value is below 0.8, then it's light red. If it's below 102, then it's light green. If it's anything bigger, then it's light yellow, exactly like how we write the instruction. Okay, so let's run this and see how it works. Okay, with just one click, you have every single cell formatted properly, just exactly like as what we want. So if it's below 80, it's red, and then everything in between 80% to 120% is light green, and then everything above 120 is light yellow. Here, just one more advanced trick is that if you ever want to change the color, you can simply change the code here to change the color to something that you like. So let me give you a very easy example. Let's say if I want to change this yellow to something else, to another yellow that I like better, you can first go to fill color, go to more color, and then pick any color you like. Let's say if this is the yellow that I like better, what you can do is go to custom, and it actually shows you the RGB code for this color. And then what you need to do is basically paste those color tones into your VBA code. So let's do that. You have to close this, so I'll memorize it and then close it, and then go back to your code. So for the yellow, I'm gonna change my color to what I just chose. And then now let's run it again. You can see all the yellow has been changed to another color that I like. So this is something that's very helpful when you have to do this kind of exercise repetitively. Instead of going to the conditional formatting, highlight everything, like change the rules, you can really just simply use this one set of code and then do everything with just one simple click. Okay, that's everything I want to share with you today. I hope that you find it helpful. If you want to learn more about how to set up VBA for your Excel file, or you want to learn about what are the things that ChatGPT can do for you, you can check the playlist I have linked down below in the description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.